Now come to question number 2. Here Mrs. Kaushik have a square plot. And its dimension is 25 meter and 25 meter. Clear? So she construct a house in a center of the square plot. Clear? The house is in the shape of a rectangle. Clear? And on the around of house she want to develop a garden. Clear? So what we will do, we will find first area of a square. After that we will find the area of a house, then subtract it, you will get the area of a garden. Clear? Area of a house is L into B. Why it is L into B? Because it is in the shape of rectangle. 20 multiplied by 15, that is equal to 300 meter square. Clear? Area of a square plot, dimension is in the shape of square. So square formula is side into side. 25 into 25, that is equal to 325 meter square. So area of a garden will be equal to area of a square plot minus area of a house. So 625 minus 300, your answer will be equal to 325. Clear? Next is, they are saying cost for developing a garden for 1 meter square is coming 55. Then cost of developing a garden for 325 meter square, what will be the amount you will get it? You will tell me what will be the amount. So 325 multiplied by 55, your answer becomes equal to 17,875. Question number 4. They have given a room whose area is 1080 meter square, and you have to place a parallelogram tiles in this area of the room. Clear? So the area of a one tile, they have given the dimension of a one tile. The dimension is 24 centimeter and 10 meter, and the tile is in the shape of parallelogram. Means जो ये 24 है, that is a base, and this 10 is a perpendicular which is a fall on a 24 centimeter of the base of the parallelogram. So area of a parallelogram tile is base into height. Clear? I have convert 24 centimeter into meter because the area of the room dimensions is given in a meter. So 24 upon 100 into 10 upon 100. So your answer becomes equal to 0.024 meter square. See, this is a one tile. This is a area of a one tile which you are placing in a room. But in a room, number of tiles can become is in the parallelogram shape. Clear? Is coming in the parallelogram shape. But you don't know how many tiles you needed to complete this area of the room. Clear? Number of tiles into area of a one tile becomes equal to area of a room. N tiles will be stand for N, and area of a one tile is 0.024 is equal to 1080. Then 0.024 will be coming in a division form and leave the decimal form. After solving the calculation, you will get 45,000 number of tiles you needed. Next is question number 5. An ant is moving around the food pieces. Clear? Around the food pieces, you have to tell that ant is traveling in which type of food piece cover a more distance. Clear? So perimeter, we are finding the rounding portion of the food piece, means from A to B and from B to A. From A to B, this is a pi r. we have already explained in the figure, that is a pi r. From B to A is a diameter. Here pi value is 22/7, r value is 1.4, क्योंकि ये diameter हमारे पास कितना है 2.8 and radius will be equal to 1.4 plus 2.8. Cut it here, 0.2. 0.2 multiplied by 22, that is equal to 11, plus 2.8, your answer becomes equal to 13.8 centimeter. Clear? Now the B part, from A to B, that is a 1.5. From B to C, this is a parallel to 2.8. 2.8. From C to D, 1.5. From D to A, it is in the curve shape and it is open one, that is equal to pi r. 1.5 and 1.5 will be equal to 3. 3 plus 2.8, 5.8. Pi r, pi value 22/7, r value is 1.4. Cut it here, 0.2, then 5.8 plus 11, it is equal to 16.8 centimeter. Next, C part, from A to B, that is a 2. From B to C, it is curve in the shape of curve. So that's why it is becomes equal to pi r. C to A, 2. 2 and 2, 4. Pi r, 22/7. R value is 1.4. That's why 0.2. 4 in 4 plus 22 into 0.2, 11. Your answer is 15 centimeter. At the last, they are asking in which type of food piece the ant is covering more distance. The ant is covering in which type of food piece covering the large distance. Which figure? In a figure B. Clear? Now see question number